Welcome back, people. This is Lighted Sky. As you read the title, SN15 succeeded. Yes, SN8, 9, 10, and 11 all failed. 10 actually partially failed as it landed, but it also burst after 8 minutes. But today, SN15 did a great job. SN12, 13, 14 were all skipped because all these technological advancements in the designs and other aspects were all covered in the SN15. So SN15 was launched today at around 4 a.m. IST here Indian time. So the launch was amazing. Why is this launch why was this result so important? As you know, the lunar contract has been upheld. Like Jeff Bezos filed a formal complaint in their court something, and NASA actually said SpaceX to hold their the contract money because there is some legal fight going on. All these companies said that SpaceX has very weird designs and it will not work. And they also claim that all these tests of the SN10, 11, 8 and 9 all failed, and they are not going on the right path. So SN15 was the key. SN15 was like this was a good result for the SpaceX, I think, and after seeing this launch, I guess every other Starship prototypes will land correctly, like they will land successfully, because there was no single fault today in today's launch. Everything went smoothly right from the start till the end. There were some fires at the end because they work with the methane fuel, so they catch a fire easily, but apart from that, everything was so good. You should watch the launch now. I think you're watching that, and you should see the landing. It was so perfect. I think SN16 is the next. I'm sure that will also nail the landing. And yes, this was an answer. This was a great answer to all the haters, all the SpaceX haters, and who said they could not do it. Congratulations, SpaceX team and Elon Musk. You have did it. Like today, they were so much trouble. Like the test was supposed to be around 4 hours ago, but because of the winds and all, they delayed it, and now at around 4 now they completed the test, and it was so satisfying. Like after 4 SN launches, this was the first one for them to celebrate for. Hope they continue to do the same. Go SpaceX. Thank you. Watch my other videos.